When tuning an Mbira, there are a couple of basic principles. One of them is that when the key is longer, it will be lower in pitch. When it's shorter, it will be higher in pitch. The other important thing to know is that when a note is loose, for example, that's the sound of a loose note, then it needs a bend as close as possible to where the key goes underneath the top bar. And I'll show you how to do that. First, let's find a note that needs to be tuned. One of the ways to tune an Mbira is to make sure that the octaves are actually octaves. Those sound okay. That note is too high, so I'm going to make it longer to tune it down. I like to use an Indian tabla hammer for tuning Mbiras because its pointed end is just perfect for tuning an Mbira key. Better. You can also use octave relationships to tune the notes on the other side. Oh, that one's too low. So when a note is too low, I use a piece of hardwood to keep the hammer from nicking the note. Now it's loose. I'll have to make a bend. I'll make the bend as close as possible to where it goes under the bar. If the note doesn't sit in the right position, you can use a screwdriver over the underneath bar to push the key over to the position you want it in. Okay, this key is loose. This note is too high.